Yo, what's up? It's me again. I'm here at the Central Pier over here in Stockholm, just across the river here. But that's not the place that I want to do this video blog. Actually, I'm here at Sapan Taksin. It's also a running club, like Taksin Running Club. It's very, very interesting, and I'm going to show you around this park right now before I get to what I want to talk about. First of all, what I love about this place is that it's very community oriented. This over here is a workout facility where you can donate. They don't expect much, like 20, 30 baht or whatever you can, whatever you want, but it's basically free. The guy brings the weights out and puts them away at night. I'll show you over there in a second. Over there is a futsal court just for people to come and play. And I will continue that tour right now. Just got a set of P-bars here, everything you want. Behind me over here is another futsal court. People can come and play to pick up games and what it looks like free of charge, but I could be wrong. They may have to pay some kind of fee. And over here is a Muay Thai ring in the middle of a public place. So you can just come and kind of work out with the guys that are here, and there you go. And this is all kind of using the resource of the shade, which I thought was really cool. They're just like, we got all this space underneath this bridge, which is express route or street. It's a bridge for cars and as well as a BTS kind of route. And over here is a really cool game. I have to find out the name of this game over here, but it is very impressive. It's basically, this game over here, it's basically like tennis but with your feet, which is pretty cool. It requires a lot of flexibility. You can see this guy do a serve here. Okay. Here we go. There you go. There we go. As you can see, it takes a lot of hip flexibility to get up there, and it's pretty impressive when they do. Seems like a lot of things in Thailand require hip flexibility. Muay Thai, this game. Yeah. But that's not even what I'm most excited about. What I'm most excited about is this spot right here. It's known as the infamous Team Farang spot. Parkour and free running, very popular group, infamous in fact, and yeah, so this is their spot. What's up, gentlemen? And so with that tour all done and good, amazing kind of use of the space here, especially kind of recreationally. People just come and be fit here. They actually have lots of little stations throughout Bangkok where you could, they're like these colorful bars, and you just kind of like, so you can like keep moving, like just keeping yourself fit. And it's a really cool. You think, oh, doesn't do anything, but they do. It's better than doing nothing, which a lot of people I think in the States are very guilty of. But apart from that, the topic that I wanted to bring up today is this concept of invested detachment. So what does that mean? Basically, it means that you're invested in what you want to do, but you are detached from that outcome, so you don't feel those negative emotions if they don't occur. So basically, like let's take for example, kind of doing like a precision jump or a backflip or a certain kind of maneuver that you would do in either parkour or freerunning. Let's just take a backflip for example. Now your intention is, oh, I want to do a backflip, so you train and you look up different ways to learn how to do a backflip. That's your intention, and you want that. You're invested in that goal, and that's great. The thing is, so then what people tend to do is fixate on that goal to the point where it becomes this fixation, this obsession, to the point where their self-worth becomes dependent on that goal. I remember there was a time when I was training where I was like, well, if I don't do a backflip, I can't do anything, and it sucks. But that's complete crap, and that comes from a place of attachment. So I was invested and attached to the outcome. So I wanted it to happen, and attached to whether or not it didn't. So there's two different kinds of thoughts on this. There's kind of like, if you've heard of Tony Robbins, he's kind of like, a lot of other people, write down your goals on a list and do them, and then you'll get what you want, and that's all it takes. And in many cases, it does work like that. There's another school of thought. I'm watching a lot of TED Talks that are kind of, counterpoint in that way. I don't say devil's advocate, but on the other side, which is if you fixate on it too much, then you're just mad when it doesn't happen. And if you're mad that it doesn't happen and you suffer in that way, then is the goal that important then? So it's just kind of another way to think about how you come to goals and what you want. If you get, let's go back to the backflip example. If you're about to do a backflip and you're very invested in that, and you've never done it before, by the way, and I need to do this backflip, and then, like, let's say you don't land it perfectly, or you don't land it at all, right? Instead of being really, really sad or really, really angry that you didn't get the outcome that you wanted, you could just appreciate it as part of the process and not take it so personally. So that way you can maintain your investment in the goal over time. So you try again, basically. It's not just like, oh, I try once, I hurt myself, never again. Part of the process moving forward, be detached from that. So yeah. So anyway, Saipan Taksin, beautiful place. I gave you a little bit of a tour. People are staring at me, which is always fun. I'm the Farang. Yeah. Let's go do some training, and I'll see you guys next time.